Yep.
We got a freshwater shark.
Yep, we got a freshwater shark.
Oh, gosh. He still got some fight in him. Hang on. Hang on.
Oh, geez.
Oh.
Yeah, he's...
Trying to do that one-handed.
Yeah, trying to hold the camera and dip him up with one hand.
Oh, God, he's heavy.
Yeah, he's a hammerstein. Good morning, all the BRO folks, and welcome to Bubba Roundtree Outdoors. I'm your host, Wade Rush. Me and Hammer are here at the Wateree River today, and we're kind of on a scouting trip. We're testing out a new machine, new to us, and we're going to check and see what is biting in this river. Y'all come right along with us. Yeah, I got a back anchor. There you go. Shoot. Well,
You threw my cricket.
yeah, he sure did.
Come here. I had to reel in so much. Here we go. Let's do this. Boop. You little joker. Well, we broke the ice, did he?
Yeah. Well, let's see. What is it?
Right up under the eyeball. Come on.
What he looked like. He almost looked like what your granddaddy calls an Edibel. But we need bait. Yep. Yeah. Well, throw him in here for bait. He's bait in hand.
Yes.
Bait in
Better
hand,
bait in hand than bait in the water, huh?
Yeah, it's better than bait in the water. That's for sure.
Well, right here by that tree, that's where he was hiding out at, so we'll see.
Got some structure down there.
We also got some.
Folks, the Eagle says that we got in about 4 foot of water here, which is good enough. It's about at the minimum. Got to get used to this surface drive. This Go Devil has no reverse. So and we actually, which it almost looks like it's too shallow right there, don't it?
It's
If
pretty
the back
shallow.
end of the boat gets around
Well,
there,
like you said, yeah, you can
too shallow.
You can see that log is right there.
Yeah.
It looks like it kind of slopes down past that though, because you can see where the top part of it just kind of disappears. So you got a little bit of a ridge right there. It looks like. Oh, we know. I want to check on this other side like you were trying.
The stripers and the bass are chasing minnows in the shed too.
Whoa, we'll see about getting them something. How deep? How deep?
Oh yeah, it's real shallow over there.
Really shallow. Shallow. Done this up real good. Shallow.
If I'd have caught that piece that I had, we'd definitely had enough for a few pieces of bait.
I had another nibble.
You had a little teeny one bump yours too?
Yes, sir.
Around the corner down there.
Oh,
you missed him again?
You jiplap.
And give him one more chance. Evidently he must be, was he up real shallow?
Yes, sir. Real. Yep, hit me again. Hit.
Yeah. You got his butt that time.
Yeah.
There you go.
And you still flung my cricket, you little booger.
Now, that's what we've been needing to bait right
Yeah, we took this whole jugger on it.
We'll put him happy too.
Yeah. There we go. It's a dog.
Oh.
There we go.
Now we got some bait.
You moving?
Move on around the corner.
Yes, sir. Warming up here. You say you cut your finger on the first hook you was trying to get?
The first, I went to tie the hook and I was cutting the tag off of it. I tied it, and as I cut the tag off, it slipped. As I buried the hook in my hand and sliced my thumb.
Lord have mercy.
I was happy.
There
There we go.
Yeah.
Thought he had it. I thought it was. Thought he'd been picked it up and was fixing to take it home with him.
Good. Hopefully soon he will.
And it also could be a striper hitting it like that.
Well, good. That'd be even better. Get his butt. Trying not to do the same that you did yesterday. And cut my finger.
Yeah, there he goes. There we go. We got him.
Nice. Let me get the big camera. As soon as I get this tied.
That's a catfish.
That tied. Hook that in. Come on. Oh my Lord. There we go.
He's not a monster, but he is. But he's meat.
That's right.
Folks, we ain't planning on, Hammer and myself ain't planning on keeping any today. It's mainly just a scouting trip, but this is usually a really good hole for catfish. And my Berkeley bait, I got a scale and we couldn't find it last night. I had to replace the batteries in it.
Come on up, look at there.
It's a blue, pretty blue. No, don't start with all the language. We got children watching. Look at that.
Nice.
Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of meat. You know what? I don't think that I put the needle nose pliers in here neither. These circle hooks, these kaolin circle hooks.
They the real deal.
They work. They work. There we go. Woo! And I still
got your bait.
yeah, still got
Look
some of it. That is a beautiful blue right there. If we were eating them, folks, this is what we would keep to eat. But there's gonna be plenty more. There's gonna be plenty more. We're gonna send them on back. All right. It's a really good stomp.
That's right. Come on, get up here. Come here. No, that's a big one.
Son.
Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.
That's a
come here,
big
come here,
red
come here,
breast.
come here.
Holy cow, look at what a red breast. Y'all look at that, folks. Give him a face full of that one. Gracious. Big old red breast.
Watch this here. There you go.
Yeah, man. Oh, I just
Put them back.
yeah. Let him go. We'll get him next time.
There you go.
You still using crickets, ain't you?
Yes, sir, I am.
I ain't got a bump since I've been using these worms.
And it is right. I was right on that shelf.
Yeah.
Going down.
Well, that's what the red breast. That's their MO.
And I'll let him go. Hey.
Oh shoot! I thought I felt something and looked up and the rod was doubled over.
You catfish rod one?
Yeah, I was messing with this daggone. I was messing with trying to swap the bait out, and I looked up and it was bent over. I don't know. The camera should have picked that up pretty good, but he didn't hook himself.
Let me cut off that tag. A little bit too much for my liking.
Put it back down so he'll hit it again.
That's right. That's it.
I was just trying to get a cricket. That's it. I was just trying to get a cricket.
Is that? Did I hit it? Okay.
I don't know.
Maybe I hit it. I'm trying to.
Once again, I wasn't looking at it.
I'm trying to cut this tag off.
Almost got too dang much going on. That's whenever you come here and you. I told Rachel, Bill, 521 Bait and Tackle, Bill Childers, he had blueback herring. Yeah, this dude smacked it again. He had blueback herring and all that there at the shop.
Moving, did it? The whole rod just moved. I don't know if that's the current trying to take it.
No, mine got popped again.
Stay right there. All right, let me go catch one more of them things and see if we can't get us something other than a big boy red breast, maybe in a little bit more of the kindergarten class.
That's something whenever you're trying not to catch the big ones.
Yes, sir. Well, we're trying to catch the big ones on another class of fish, just not these.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff washing down the river.
Oh, son. Oh, dang it.
Red breast?
It's a little red breast.
Well, dookie.
Yeah, it's a little red breast, and a beautiful little red breast, too. Beautiful little red breast.
I am in the way of this camera.
You can't-
Oh no, I knocked over cricket.
Oh,
No. Cricket down. Let me salvage it. One.
Oh no, knocked over the cricket.
Tater. Cricket.
Oh,
cricket.
how many got out?
A good bit.
Oh goodness.
Cricket. Cricket. Your boat's gonna be chirping, that's all I got to say. There we go. Oh, there's the one by. And there was one hiding. Come here. There we go.
Look at him, look at him.
I think.
That is a non-red breast. That's what we're looking for.
That's it.
See, that's a pretty little Bream. Whoa! I looked up and there my rod's doubled over again. I keep getting distracted catching bait.
There's one. I think there's one that I missed. Everything else I think I got.
We're using the number 6 Eagle Claw. I like using wire hooks. Captain Buster uses the short shank. I do too. But today, when we fishing for a lot of little ones, or when you're trying to get little ones for bait, I like the wire hooks.
Oh gosh, was that a limb? Get back in this little nook here. In the nook!
Yeah, let's get us some muffins and we'll eat it in the nook.
Come here, you. Get your butt out of that hole. Oh gosh, that's a
Ooh, that's a hammer. Oh no, it's a fairly good one. Fairly good one.
Ah. Got him right in the snout. Right in the roof of the mouth. Boy, he wasn't going nowhere. He fighting good though.
Oh yeah, I thought he was. Yeah, you can let him go back. He's a little bit too big to use for bait. We still got us a big one in there.
There we go. Get your butt on.
Now they finally done calmed down enough.
Well, I've seen them hitting the top of the water up under them little limbs and stuff over there,
yeah.
so they hungry up in there.
I'm surprised ain't something ain't grabbed one of the catfish rods. That was some nice drippy bait.
Come here, you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Their little Bream up there chasing stuff.
Yes, so good. We in here. We in amongst them. Where'd I get? I was right in here. I
There
dropped.
it goes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
hey,
Oh.
there it is.
Oh. That's something when you're all excited.
There he is.
Oh, it's a red breast.
Ah, yay.
Hey, beautiful, beautiful little red breast.
Yeah.
Dang, if you give me my cricket back, I won't get mad at you.
Good luck.
I got it.
Oh, nice.
Very first impressions. There you go. That's a bait. With the
Get that.
with the surface drive, the Go Devil surface drive.
Miss reverse.
Missed reverse. Yeah, in this river. Yeah, I missed reverse. Yeah, your rod got hit, Hammer.
Oh,
there we go.
that'd be
Now
perfect
we talking.
timing.
Now we're talking.
It'd be perfect timing, you know, whenever your hands is full.
That's a little sunfish. We got some perfect bait. Ow, 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 ow. He finned me. All right.
Bird in the hands were two in the bush.
Uh-huh.
I have no bird. I have no bird.
I have no bird. I have no bush. Oh.
Uh-oh. Hey, you got, that's a pretty good one.
Yeah.
But I mean.
Yeah, that's a regular old Bream. Pretty. But he's definitely bait material.
Yeah, we need him today.
Yeah. We need them today.
I still got my cricket pieces. That's all I need. Entice me one of them younglings, you know.
Didn't mean to bean you in the head. Come here. Got a big
I actually hit my chair.
big
just-
old fat.
well,
How do you like those Millennium chairs?
They're nice.
They are nice, ain't they?
Ooh.
You know what? I don't know. I meant to grab I don't know if I have any more Kalen hooks or any more catfish hooks than what I got here.
I don't know if there was.
Is that thing wrapped? Hold up. Okay, well, it's gonna be to the bait caster. This one's gonna.
Ow!
We did not, like I said, this is a trip finding out what we got and what we ain't got. I got another backpack. It's got other tackle in it, and I forgot it. Left it in the studio.
There we go. Let's see about catching some more bait right quick.
Get this one out.
I'll try and counteract you here. Oh, here we go. Come on. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's not bait. That's a good one there, bud. He swallowed it too.
He
swallowed it. So he's gonna be bait whether he wanted to or not.
He sure did. Hey, where's that hook extractor? I said, where's that hook extractor?
You just had it.
Yeah, I know. I was. Yeah, great day. Yeah, I still got that mid section. Looks like we got.
Any guts?
There's a little bit of blood in there.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put fresh bait on it. Yeah, there you go. Now you're getting enough bait where we ain't got to be picky.
Stay right there. There's a few down there in that hole, though. I can tell you. No, we need to break.
Oh, I got
told you.
Smacked.
I told you, they hungry in there. All right, go on, you fool.
Oh, for God's sakes, I got smacked again, and I think I had just a little piece of bait.
They done clinked you.
Uh-huh.
Well, this here fella I had, he gave his life for 3 fish. That was a good cricket right there.
Oh, God.
Oh, yes,
I was fishing with a cricket eyeball. Thought this ain't enough.
Joking about picked you clean.
Oh, thanks.
I'm gonna keep an eye on that catfish pole because you know it's about time we're both looking out this end.
Yeah, he's hitting. All right, I got his Ranus that time. Ah, that's just a regular old brim. A bait brim, old B&B.
BB.
Give our cricket back. There you go.
Hey,
My
BB.
mincemeat cricket. Oh, that's just a cane bush.
Yes, sir. Looks like just.
Whoa, you mess up then.
Oh, boy, I was really at the kindergartners there. It was dee.
Uh-huh. Well, that's a nice little baited sunfish. Well, what I'm surprised.
Great goodness.
That's probably a bigger brim right there.
Well, we'll catch you. I'll put you back as long as you don't inhale it like your brother did.
I'll tell you. I swear, man.
They hungry over here for some reason.
I'd like to see some of them 1-pounders.
Little two-hander come up.
Yeah, one of them 2-handers.
Juice is left on here now. Let me go ahead and get me a fruit. Yep, they done a little choker.
They done finished it all.
The littlins done got me. Whoa!
Oh, geez, he's got it that time. Yeah, he got it that time.
What the heck?
That's a hammer.
God, no.
Yep, that's a hammer. Great God.
Do you want the other camera, Benny?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hammer's got a hammer.
I think I done got him.
Got him.
Well, I had him coming.
Yeah, he done started spinning the boat around.
Oh, Lord.
There's nothing for him to get onto under the boat.
Oh.
Yep.
We got a freshwater shark.
Yep, we got a freshwater shark.
Oh, God. He still got some fight in him. Hang on. Hang on.
Oh, geez.
Oh.
Yeah, he's...
You're trying to do that one-handed.
Yeah, trying to hold the camera and dip him up with one hand.
Oh, God, he did it.
Yeah, he's a hammer stain.
Where can we put him?
There ain't nowhere to put him. Now, let me move the biscuit and put him in the float. Yeah.
Yeah, don't be talking all that junk.
He's about a 18, 15, 12, 15 pounds. Hard to tell. We had the scales. Yeah, he is good.
Oh yeah.
Lord have mercy, he tried to twist your hand off.
He did. get under them fences there. I think he just hooked himself again.
He swallowed it.
Well, he twisted it and hooked himself in the face again.
Oh, he did? Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah. All right, let me.
All right, you're gonna have to get the pliers to get him loose. All right.
I was wondering if I was gonna be able to just kind of hang on to him, but he did the old roll on me. Oh, all right.
All right, yeah, we go ahead and.
All right, we're
Gonna go ahead and put him back.
All right, big boy. Sorry about your lip. It'll be all right though.
Yeah, he'll be all right.
There you go. Whew. I think
Have mercy.
We may have just messed up our brim right here.
But that's what we're after, folks. We're wanting to catch some of them big old hammer cats.
He fought good.
Yeah, he did good.
Ah, there we go. There it is.
Fought good. All right. Get cleaned up and try to get a little bit more bait and
We go.
and
Go again.
get back after it.
These brim over here gonna get drunk.
Oh, it still works. Jeez. It's still sharp, I'll put it that way.
Oh Lord.
Everything is experimenting. There you go. Jeez Louise, bud. Look at the size of that. Look at that big old Beaumongani purple rascal there.
Man,
Holy cow.
go.
Dag.
Well, there go.
Go.
Oh, well, all right.
Here, let me get. I want to get a picture of that one.
He unhooked himself. Well, that's good.
We'll get a picture of him for you. Put him back.
Yes, sir.
Then he is forever preserved.
Make sure that fin don't get him.
There you go. That big old purple rascal. One more. All right.
All right, you big goober. Well, if I throw him down there, maybe he gets yours.
That's all right. There you go.
All right, there we go. Got out of there. Where the heck was that little hole at? I gotta find it again. I keep knocking down the limbs here trying to get back into it. There was a little
Oh,
strip.
shoot. That was my rod about to go out the boat. And my camera was over the top of it. Lord have mercy.
Your phone be ringing. Gonna be Granddaddy? I figured it was. Oh,
Get it, almighty.
okay. You called as soon as his rod went down and it's over my line? Is that over my line?
I can't tell.
We called a couple blues so far, and then
Yeah, a couple of
we've
good
been
blues.
been
3.
digging into some of the Bream over here to catch us some more bait so that we can
This
keep
is
on.
about the size of the first one I caught. Probably
Keep on
about
catching them,
7, 8
for
pounds.
them big old catfish. And motor's running pretty
running
good.
fine.
It's just even in idle, he's able to move around. It's just trying to stop and do some different things where you.
I do not like not having reverse.
Yeah, he is not a fan of no reverse. So, all right.
Here.
Yes, sir.
There.
Daddy said we probably stayed around 11 or so. Yes, sir. All right.
It's hard to talk on the phone, video, and catch a fish at the same time.
But somehow we made it work.
Somehow, yeah, somehow. I mean, right as I'm answering the phone, boom, bye-bye, there it goes. Captain Buster was calling to see if we were doing any good while we were doing good. Get him loose?
I'm trying to just do it with my fingers.
Yeah.
He seems to be a little bit calmer, but you hooked him right in the eyeball.
Oh, yeah. Got him right in the eye.
Right in the eye. Okay, all right.
Oh, got it.
Oh, man. I don't even think I got his eye bad.
Oh, no,
Okay,
it's good.
let's see if we can. I'm going to let him go. I'm going to get this out of here before I hook
just
myself
lay-
bad.
Yeah, just lay that.
There we go.
Just get it out of the way so we can get him back.
back out of here.
With as little bit of trauma as necessary. He's beautiful, man. If we, like I said, if we were eating them, then that would be one of them. You're gonna let him go, Ham.
All right, there you go. Slimy butt.
All right. Well, hold on a second. Equipment falling apart. Captain Buster wanted an update, so he called. Right as he called, probably the bow GoPro would have got it. That right as he called and I answered the phone, it buried the rod. First trip in the river this year, me and Hammer, and we my extra catfish hooks, my Kalen hooks, got left on the dinner table at home, and my other backpack has got the big barrel swivels and all that in it, and so anyway, it's a learning experience. We've only we brought 3 rods. We're down to 2 because we broke one off. If we break one off, we'll be down to 1. Anyway, onward and upward we go. We're gonna give it a few more hours anyway.
And there he is.
Yeah, I got to hit myself. Shoot, that's a eater size right there.
Ooh, hold on now.
A red breast. Yep, yep, that's a good thick red breast. Uh-oh, I'm getting
What you
hit
got?
again. My rod's getting hit again.
Yeah, do watch that. Ooh, I gave him a nose ring. All right, big boy.
And that could have been a couple of times what picked these things up and not get hooked. Well, there was a Yeti.
Hey, Sasquatch! I don't want to ease too far up in that hole.
Yep, definitely a Yeti.
Yep.
Or swamp ape. Yeah.
Old lizard man.
Yeah.
The old lizard man up in here. There it is. There it is. I'll straighten my hook out in a second.
Oh man, he got in the trees.
No.
Yeah, he sure did. Picked up a few nice cats and a couple of decent brim. We catching enough to keep some bait in the water though.
Better than working.
Oh heck
Oh, yeah.
The bass doing anything this morning?
I think I've got 6 and Jimmy's probably got 5 or 6.
Well, that's good. That's good.
Nothing of any size.
Well, they're chasing the shad everywhere. There's a piles of little shad all through here.
Where did I fit my water? There it is.
That ain't no hammer. This ain't
Gotcha.
no camera run.
Awesome. This down.
Yeah, that ain't no. That's amazing. Get your butt out of there. No, don't do that. Get out the bushes. Get out from under the boat.
You done got, you done hooked you a big
Get out
one.
of the bushes.
It's back over here. It's back behind you, Daddy. Oh, Lord.
I'm trying to get him around here to the other side.
To the riverside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to get him over here on this side.
Yeah, he's coming on around.
Yeah.
Great day, yeah.
Oh.
You ain't caught bait. Great. Golly, bum. Better be watching the screen now.
Well, it's a crayfish. What I got to do is I got to get my rod that's hung up here on the other side of it. There you go. There we go.
Yep.
All right. He's seems like he's getting tired. Maybe we just lay that down. Okay. I thought he was getting tired. Like,
You got this one leg out here.
there we go. It's fighting hard, so it's probably a darn nice channel.
Popped up for a second.
Yeah, it is. It's a dang good channel. They fight. Lord, do they like to fight.
You need the nail, you gonna...
Now let's see, I don't know. You get a hold of the line. He's hooked in the corner of the mouth. I just set the rod right down in the net that I need. There.
There we go.
And yeah, we'll get a pretty channel.
Get some slack here. Are you good?
Get this thing to lay right here. There we go. Got him right in the corner of the mouth. When Uncle Bubba Powers would catch a big mess of crappie and all that, would say, Uncle Bubba, where'd you catch them fish? He said, right there in the corner of the mouth, right there. There we go. He got a few spots. Beautiful, green. Beautiful. If we, like I said, if we were taking them home to eat, this would be what we'd be taking them home today. We're just not taking them home today. All right. On a cricket with a Bream outfit. Well, folks, that was a scouting trip. We stayed out there for a few hours. We caught some decent fish. The water was pretty well falling whenever we got here this morning. Then they got every wheel on. I mean, it is churning out there now. And so me and Hammer didn't want to go too much further down the river and all that. Looks like it's going to be another good year, folks. We caught some nice fish. The catfish wanting to start just a little bit, but we're going to try some of that blueback herring next time. I bet you that'll work out good. Until then, this is Wade and Hammer, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.